How to add lower thirds in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where you do all your timeline editing. Lower thirds are usually added on a video track above your main footage, so make sure you have an empty track above. Next, open the effects library from the top left corner, then find the title section. In titles, search for lower third. You can drag and drop lower third titles such as left lower third, right lower third, middle lower third, and other fusion lower thirds onto the timeline above your video clip where you want it to appear. Here I am choosing the left lower third and placing it into my timeline. After placing it, select it and go to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can customize the text, font size, color, and position to fit your style or branding. You can edit both the main text and the subtext fields to add names, job titles, or any other information. You can also adjust the length of the lower third by dragging its edges on the timeline to control how long it stays visible on the screen. If you want more advanced customization, DaVinci Resolve allows you to animate the lower third by using keyframes for position, opacity, and other effects. And that's it. Now you know how to add lower thirds in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.